Hi, this is Dr. Harlan Mittag from Nutraceutical Research, Inc. I'd like to just issue an advisement. Don't consider hormone replacement therapy for hot flashes and night sweats until you've learned about an amazing natural hot flash remedy from Europe. By the end of this short video, we will have shown you a completely natural and safe herbal remedy that has been shown by major research studies published in prestigious medical journals to reduce hot flashes and night sweats by 72%. You can get relief from menopausal hot flashes and night sweats without having to risk any of the deadly side effects of hormone replacement therapy. We'll show you how in this video. If you've got them, you know that hot flashes and night sweats can be extremely unpleasant. Severe hot flashes can be so intense that they are disabling. For some women, they can last up to 30 minutes or even longer. Hot flashes often begin with a feeling of uneasiness. Many women have feelings of dizziness, heart palpitations, and even headaches at the onset of a hot flash. Severe hot flashes can start with tingling in the hands, anxiety, and nausea. Then there's the wave of heat, often through the chest, neck, and face, but for some women, through the whole body. Next comes the profuse sweating and chills throughout the body. At night, you wake up drenched in sweat. When you're having this experience 5, 10, or more times day and night, it consumes your life. The tendency is to do whatever it takes to get relief, and until recently, this meant reaching for a drug. And in the case of hot flashes and sweats, that drug has always been hormone replacement therapy. But unfortunately, while hormone replacement therapy does provide significant relief of hot flashes and night sweats, it's also associated with lots of health risks. In 2002, the Journal of the American Medical Association published a study that rocked the world of medicine. The study is called the Women's Health Initiative Trial, and the study followed 160,000 women between 1993 and 1998. The study compared the health of women on hormone replacement therapy against women who were not taking prescriptive hormones. And what was found shocked the medical community because they had assumed that hormone replacement therapy was safe. The study showed that women on hormone replacement therapy had 26% greater risk of developing breast cancer, 41% greater risk of having a stroke, 29% greater risk of having a heart attack. But it gets even worse. 8 years later, in October 2010, the Journal of the American Medical Association revealed the results of a new study. This study revealed that there are even greater risks associated with hormone replacement therapy, particularly for breast cancer. In this study, researchers followed 12,788 women in the original study longer, this time through August 2009. The current study gave researchers a longer-term view of the health risks associated with hormone replacement therapy. What they found was that women who received hormone replacement therapy were more likely to get breast cancer. We knew that, but more likely to get a more aggressive form of breast cancer and more likely to die from breast cancer. There was another study released at about the same time that didn't get much publicity. This study showed that hormone replacement therapy also increases the risk of kidney pain due to kidney stones. That study followed 21,000 women after their menopause. It found that those women on hormone replacement therapy had a 21% greater risk for developing kidney stones. Given our new understanding of the risks of hormone replacement therapy, women are now turning to natural remedies for relief of hot flashes and night sweats. The best remedy that we have found has not been available in the United States until recently. It has been used to effectively and dramatically relieve hot flashes and night sweats in Europe since 1993. Its ability to relieve hot flashes and night sweats has been compared to ultra-low-dose hormone replacement therapy. Hormone replacement therapy has been shown to reduce hot flashes by 75%, whereas this specific herbal remedy was shown to reduce hot flashes by 72%. And yet it's completely natural, an herbal extract containing no drugs or hormones. What is it? It's called Siberian rhubarb root extract and is referred to as ERR731 by research scientists. Siberian rhubarb root extract has been shown to reduce hot flashes and night sweats by 72% in just 12 weeks. These results were reported by independent researchers in the Journal of Alternative Therapies and in Health and Medicine. In their study, 112 symptomatic perimenopausal women were given 1 tablet daily of Siberian rhubarb root extract, called ERR 731, and for 12 weeks. In that 12-week period, the median number of hot flashes dropped from 11 to 3. These researchers concluded that, quote, ERR 731 was confirmed to be effective for the treatment of menopausal symptoms in perimenopause. They also go on to say that the results suggest that, quote, ERR 731 may be an effective alternative to ultra-low-dose hormone replacement therapy, particularly in perimenopausal women for whom hormone replacement therapy is not recommended. Well, that was 2 years ago, back in 2009, and we now know that hormone replacement therapy is not recommended for most women because of the risks of breast cancer, strokes, heart disease, kidney stones, to name a few. This is not the only study that shows the benefit of ERR 731, or Siberian rhubarb root extract. An earlier study was published in the renowned journal Menopause in 2006. This study also followed women with menopausal complaints for 12 weeks. One half of the women received ERR 731 and the other half received a placebo. And here are some of the conclusions of that study. Significant improvements with ERR 731 were also found for each of the 11 symptoms measured by the MRS-2. This is a questionnaire that's used in research to identify complaints, symptomatic complaints that the subjects are having. The MRS-2 measures hot flashes and sweating, heart complaints, sleep disturbances, depressive mood, irritability, anxiety, physical and mental exhaustion, sexual problems, urinary tract complaints, vaginal dryness, and joint and muscle complaints. These researchers found that ERR 731 relieved not only hot flashes and night sweats, but also many of the other symptoms associated with menopause. Now, I know that these scientific studies can be boring, but bear with me. Please give yourself a few moments to learn about this amazing herbal remedy for menopausal complaints. Here's what the researchers concluded in this study that was published in the major medical journal Menopause. For many years, hormone replacement therapy was considered the gold standard of treatment of climacteric complaints in peri- and postmenopause. This is quoting from the research study. The demand for effective, well-tolerated, and safe estrogen-free medication in the treatment of climacteric complaints in both peri- and postmenopause is increasing. The present trial shows that the herbal medicinal product ERR 731 meets all these criteria for an effective treatment when assessed in perimenopausal women. And that's from the journal Menopause, 2006. These research studies were done on a specific extract of Siberian rhubarb root called ERR 731 by the researchers. Ruvera, which is sold by Nutraceutical Research Inc., is the exact same extract tested by these researchers. Each tablet of Ruvera contains 4 grams of Rheum reponticum, Siberian rhubarb root, dry extract, which is exactly the same dose given daily to the women in the study reported in the journal Menopause in 2006. Let's hear from a couple women who have taken Ruvera and see what their results have been.
Elaine, what menopause symptoms did you have before starting Ruvera? And how strong were they, and how often were these symptoms?
Well, mainly I was having hot flashes. They had been increasing to the point that I was having 10 to 15 per day. It would start with a prickly feeling, often on my face, and within 30 seconds or so, I was just hot all over. It would last anywhere from 2 to 10 minutes.
What changes have you noticed since taking Ruvera for 3 months?
After 3 months of taking Ruvera, I noticed that the hot flashes diminished substantially. I can go for days without having any symptoms, and occasionally I begin to feel the prickly sensation. I get a little warm, and then it passes before a minute or two. Ruvera has made a big difference in my life.
So, Barbara, how were your hot flashes before you started taking Ruvera?
Very annoying. I'd have them at the night. I'd have them in the middle of the day. I'd sweat.
Mm-hmm. How many a day?
It varied. How many a day? Could be 2, 3 a day. Could be, once a week. They just varied a lot.
Okay.
More than once a week.
And after taking the Ruvera, how much better did they get?
I would say they were like 80-85% better.
Okay. And how quickly did you notice that after starting to take the Ruvera?
Boy, I've been taking it for a long time now. I'd say soon, but I don't remember how soon. Maybe
weeks, months?
Maybe a week.
Okay, great.
Maybe 2 weeks, a week.
Yeah.
And they are not nearly as intense
Great.
or as frequent, and I don't sweat as much.
Good. So you're glad to have the product?
Absolutely.
Great. With one herbal tablet each morning before breakfast, you can start to get relief from your hot flashes and night sweats. Ruvera contains the same ingredient, ERR-731, that has been shown to dramatically and safely relieve hot flashes and night sweats. A 1-month supply is just $29.95, so for less than the price of a cup of coffee each day, you can try this amazing herbal remedy with absolutely no risk. If you're not completely 100% satisfied with your Ruvera purchase, we'll refund your money with no questions asked. Try Ruvera now at no risk to you, and we'll include a free copy of the Menopause Diet. This report explains why women in Japan rarely suffer from hot flashes and night sweats, and gives you a diet plan that will supplement the benefits of Ruvera to help eliminate hot flashes and night sweats. You can buy Ruvera now by checking on the Add to Cart button below this video. You'll be taken to our secure shopping cart that's administered by PayPal. You can use any credit card, and you don't have to have a PayPal account to make your purchase. Within 3 to 5 days, you'll have your Ruvera in hand and can soon begin to experience its benefit. Your hot flashes will improve, and you'll feel better. Your life will take a change for the better. You'll more than likely thank the day that you stumbled onto this website with its amazing natural solution to hot flashes and night sweats. We urge you to act now. By doing nothing, you'll guarantee yourself that you'll continue to experience the same hot flashes and night sweats day after day and night after night. Please excuse an attempt to get you to act now on your own behalf. We just realize that everyone has resistance to trying something new and spending money. But what do you have to lose? Look at these 2 women, one experiencing a hot flash and the other feeling fine. Which one do you want to be? If you don't try something new, nothing can change. Please take us up on our risk-free guarantee and give yourself the opportunity to really feel better without the hassle and bother of hot flashes and night sweats. If you don't do it now, you probably never will. Thanks for your time. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at 612-305-8258. Thanks for your time. This is Dr. Harlan Mittag for Nutraceutical Research, Inc.